In this video, I will show you how to get a refund on PayPal. This guide is going to work on PayPal on your mobile and on your computer as well. So if you're doing this on a mobile device, what I recommend doing is going and using your browser and then going to paypal.com. It's easier than using the PayPal app. So once you're in the PayPal website and you're signed in, just like I am, what you need to do is go and find the transaction you'd like to get a refund from. So to go and do that, just come to the PayPal homepage in the dashboard and scroll down until you see the option for recent activity. Here, this one. You're gonna tap on recent activity or just press show more and then you can see a full of list of your transactions. But just before we get any further, it's important to note that you need to go and have a valid reason for wanting the refund. This could be, for example, because the service wasn't delivered or the product was broken or something like that. Then once you've found the transaction, go and click on it. It's going to expand and you can see a lot more information about it just like this. So what you can do is you can try to email the seller. You can see here that there is an email of them and see if they want to go and sort of resolve it with you. And it is important to know that to go and get a refund on PayPal, you need to have sent the payment by goods and services. If this was sent by friends and family, then you will not get a refund unless the recipient of the payment wants to voluntarily give your money back. Otherwise, people can't get involved because you sent it as friends and family. However, if you're still struggling to go and get your money back from the seller, then you need to go and get people involved. And that's where you need to go and tap on report a problem. And that's where you need to go and tap on report a problem in the bottom right, just like so. But as you can see here on my screen, I don't have the report a problem because I don't have a transaction here on my PayPal account. What we're going to do is to go to the help button here. And then after that, what you need to do is just search, I want a refund. And just click this third option or what option you have on your screen. And after that, just follow these steps. Go to activities, select the payment, use the contact information in this page to contact the seller. If you receive a refund, the money will return to its original payment method, such as your bank, credit card, or PayPal account. People basically have to sort of look at the case and see if you're sort of eligible for one. So go and choose a point which is most relevant for you. You could just go and put, I want a refund for some of the items in this order. But if it's broken or, something like that, you need to go and find a relevant issue for it. And then what you need to do is just follow the steps that people guide you through because these steps are going to be quite specific to your actual case. So it's not much point in me explaining it because everyone's gonna want a refund for a different reason or try and get a refund for different reasons. So yeah, just go and follow what PayPal tells you to do and hopefully you can get a refund. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.